Yeah, there's a dead bird on the road, and we're gonna see if a car will crunch it.
Yeah, the other thing that's on the road, that's a freaking bird.
Holy shit, that's a big vehicle.
Holy shit! Oh my god! I'm gonna go twice for this.
Back up, I don't want it to get spun.
Hallelujah!
No, it's gonna miss! No, it's gonna miss! No, it's gonna miss!
Oh!
So now!
Oh!
No!
Dr. Marty! No! No! Oh my god! That's so sad! Alright, we'll leave links to these two in the description box.
So bad.
I know, I feel bad now.
But make sure to like the video, subscribe, do all that kind of shit. And share this video, Facebook, anything. Yeah, you know what I mean? Yeah. So yeah, Sir Google all the way.